No. It's a puzzle. I want to figure it out.
Wait, what's the inside of that black shoe and like that pile of like the green and pink? Is it just black?
Mm-hmm.
Is it? Wait, is the whole shoe black? It's not? I think I know.
And then there's green in
Is it like-
here, and
is
there's
it-
white in here.
Is it the like what color is on the inside of the shoes? Is it?
No, because if you look here, like, mine's got like silver in it. This one has flowers, and then this is black, and this is white. What do you think?
Bluish, and then like things that have like off colors on them, like the bright green and the purple inside, and then moccasins, and then like just darker shoes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's by color, basically.
How's it my color?
There's a red spot on the side of my shoe. So
On this one?
the black one.
Oh, so,
Oh, that was there. See?
yeah. So these are, wait, I'm still confused, because then why is my shoe over here?
Because your shoe was like in the grayish category, and then I saw black on it.
Mine's green.
Okay.
Didn't have any awkward colors. So
Gotcha.
it's still there.
Because I would almost put this over here.
Those are moccasins.
What?
These are like browns.
Yeah, my shoe's kind of brown.
No, it's like gray. I don't know. My perspective is gray. Gray, black. I see green.
Did my shoe?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I don't see it.
I'm sorry, Josh. But see, that's why Josh wouldn't do it that way. You know what I mean? That's his point of view. All right. So it's by color. Who wants to go next? Somebody have a go? And Josh, go ahead. When you group them, can you like group them further that way because they're not showing up on the camera? All done? It's okay. All right, right. Josh L. All right, what do you think? April.
Okay. Like that pile's all like sneakers, like running sneakers, and then that one's like slipper kinds, and those are like defensive.
What?
That's not what it is.
That's not what it is? No. Go ahead. Eric, is that a hand up?
Oh,
It's close.
yeah. I guess maybe those are like running shoes. Those are maybe like more walking. And I guess those are maybe like dress or something. I don't know.
You didn't point to the pile with my shoe and say running, did you?
No.
Okay, good.
According to the sneakers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that it, Josh?
No.
No. Go ahead, Josh.
Those have the regular like sneaker inside. Those have like a fluffy inside, and those don't really have any padding in the bottom.
That's what it was? Wow, check you out. All right, well, what do you guys think? I mean, it's the Josh thing. Now, if we look at Josh H's point of view here? Why do you think he went for the ties?
What was his story?
His was the ties. There were ties, there were like the bows, the shoelaces, and then the ones without, right? Why would Josh go for that? It's just what he thought of. But Josh, why did you think of that first?
Because I noticed that some people untie theirs and some didn't. I didn't untie mine. And I was telling Eric just to kick his off. He had to untie him.
Oh, okay. So you kind of had it in your head with the ties because you were telling Eric not to untie a shoe.
Yeah.
So that was his point of view. Just like immediately before the activity, something popped into his head, tell Eric not to untie a shoe. And then he was like, ooh, ties. Now, Sydney, why'd you go for color?
Because I saw all the different colors in the shoes, and I looked at Josh's shoe and was like, ooh, green, favorite color. And then I saw the rest of the colors in the shoes. And thought,
Ooh,
oh,
green.
Why not colors?
Okay. And then, Josh, why did you go for, like, level of comfort? Like, as far as, like, the insides?
I don't know.
Trying to be original. Right, but, like, and Josh, I'm going to call you out on this, and I'm sorry if it offends you, but you'll get over it. Josh wouldn't go for the color route. Do you guys all know why? He's colorblind.
Really?
Yeah, he would not sort by color. That's his point of view. Would you know that had I not told you, or had he not told you at one point?
I see the same colors.
He sees colors, just not the way that we would see color.
Like what?
I like when I picked the shoes out, the shoes I have now. I thought the laces were yellow.
Oh. Okay.
So stuff like that.
I know someone who's colorblind too. He used to
Are you, Josh? I didn't know that. Did I know that? So then Josh also, it's the Josh thing. Josh also wouldn't go for the color like Sydney did. Now, Molly Dwyer, how many of you guys know her? I mean, how could you not know her? How could you not know her? She's like, hi, I'm Molly. She does everything in color. Everything is color coded. She talks about her colored pens like they are her children. Yes, like everything is color coded. So she arranged 28 sneakers by color. It was crazy. But that's her point of view. And if you didn't know that about her, of course you wouldn't know that's why she's doing it. It just makes sense to her. And CJ, he grouped his by like low top, high top, and middle top. That's how he did his. Because that was the first thing he saw. Chance went with unoriginal, swag, and regular. I mean, how you would pick up on that, I have no idea, but that's Chance. That's his point of view. Now, you guys, oh my gosh, we have a lot of time left. Woo, good. You guys actually have time now to work on your point of view. What you need to do when you're looking at the different documents, you need to be able to put two of them in your essay with their point of view, or your assumed point of view, based on what you know about them. So when you look at your documents, you're going to pick ones where in the source they have enough information that you could tell where that person's coming from. Like the one about Jidun, the second one. He's a scholar and he is a confidant of other scholars and other officials. Well, that puts him high up on the totem pole. So who's he probably talking to? Why is he writing this the way he's writing it? What's his point of view? Is he trying to help the peasants? Probably not. He's probably trying to help people like him, because that's typically what people do. Does that make sense? So those are the types of things you guys are going to look at, and you guys can take the rest of the period and do that and work on your thesis statement. When you guys come in tomorrow, we're writing the paper. We're writing the actual question part of the DBQ. Okay? So we pretty much have it all together anyway, but tomorrow we're going to put it together for real like a puzzle. All right? Yay.
Wait, where are we writing?
You can write it right next to the document. You just have to come tomorrow prepared with point of view in there. And you guys can get